Opened?
No, sir, wait, I'm bringing. Yes, sir, I brought the paper.
Okay. So the first question was sine of 23 degree, right?
Yes,
Sine
sir.
23 degree minus of sine 67 degree uh, over cos of 23 degree minus cos of 67 degree. So you
Yes,
have to just find the determinant. So you have to just cross multiply this. Cos 23 degree, cos 67 degree, and here I have sine 23 degree, no?
yes, sir.
Sine 23 degree minus minus, that is plus, cos 23 degree sine 63 degree, sorry, sine 67 degree. So what's formula is this? Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B.
Yes, sir.
This is what? Sine A plus B.
Yes, sir.
So this is going to be 1. Sine 90 degrees 1.
Yes, sir.
दोनों का सही?
Yes, sir, my answer is correct.
Okay, so now in the second question, you have to find the sum of M12, that is minor of 1 2 element, and C22, that is cofactor of 2 2 element. So in this
Yes, sir.
question you have a matrix, and you have to find the sum of minor and cofactor. So M12 is uh,
The M12 is
M12 is
minus,
3.
no, 2.
This was your this is your matrix.
Yes, sir.
3 minus 1. This is 1 2 element, right?
Yes, sir.
If 1 2 है ना, this is 1 1, this is 1 2, this is 2 1, this is 2 2. So this is your M12. So if you want to find minor, so minor is 3.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
3,
sir, what was
and
that?
for C22, this one you have this minor. So
Yes, sir.
you will write C22 as minus 1 power 2 plus 2, and minor is
Yes,
1. So this is going to be 3 plus 1, that is going to be 4. So answer for this question is 4. Who did minus 4?
Sir, Hadia.
Okay, and Taiba, what's your answer? What?
4.
4. आदिया समझ आया आपको?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so so C was the representation of cofactor, है ना? And you told me that you did uh, by A as a cofactor. Anyway, both things are same. Okay, so the third question is,
Yes. Third
if you
question
have,
is 3 by 3 matrix.
okay, 3 by 3 matrix such that adjoint of A is 64,
So,
then
sir,
A is equals to what?
determinant is 8.
3 by 3 matrix है ना?
Yes, sir.
And you have adjoint of A is 64. I told you one formula. एक formula मैंने बताया था आपको. Adjoint of A is equals to A n minus 1. If this is 64 and this is not it. This is, let's say, any number, or instead of any number you can just assume this. n is 3, so 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is going to be 8.
Yes, sir, I
Both
did
of
it.
you did the same. Okay. In the third question, in the fourth question. In the fourth question, x sin x, this and 0. Let fx is equals to x sin x and x sin 1 upon x, and you have 0 at x equals to 0. Then you have to find the if this is continuous or not. So continuity check karte hain. Limit x tending to 0, x sin of 1 over x multiplying x dividing by x. This is going to be 1 and this is going to be 1. So this is 1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but but at x equals to 0, the function value is 0. So 1 is not equal to 0, therefore this is not continuous. So answer must be the first A1. A should be the answer. Right, Adil?
Yes, sir.
है ना? इसका B नहीं आएगा, इसका आंसर A आएगा.
Yes, sir.
And the fifth one, okay. Just a minute. Okay, so the fifth question is x cos y plus y cos x is equals to pi. Then you have to find the differentiation of this thing, that means dy by dx at y equals to at x equals to 0. So you were saying this that answer for this question was let me solve this. Okay, so the question was x cos x, x cos
Yes,
y, right? X cos y plus y cos of x is equals to pi, and you have to find y dash at x equals to 0. Do you know this representation? What this representation mean to you? What it represent?
sir.
While doing the derivative, I told you that there are many notations of derivative. ये derivative भी तो है, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इसमें कुछ doubt है क्या?
No, sir.
This is derivative itself, है ना? This notation
Ye-
is used for derivative, finding the derivative. So let's derivate this. So taking x constant, x outside, and then derivative for the y, cos of y. So cos y का derivation क्या होता है? Sorry, derivative क्या होता है? Minus of sin y. And
Yes,
since we
sir.
are doing it with respect to x, so this is going to be y is again uh, differentiate with the respect to the x as per the chain rule. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is this thing. ये x कॉमन निकाला तब तक. Now let's take y cos y constant. Sorry, cos y common. So cos y का ये आ गया and x का differentiation 1. And similarly we can do for the cos y cos x. Taking y constant, cos का differentiation minus sin x plus taking cos x constant, y का differentiation dy by dx. And on the right hand side you have pi, that is a constant number, constant thing, so that is going to be 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you have to do all this uh, at x is equals to 0. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको ये फाइंड करना है ना, y dash at x equals to 0. Here it is. So remember one thing, you can't आप x equals to 0 पहले स्टेप में नहीं पुट कर सकते हैं, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी रॉन्ग, है ना। तो आपको कब ये
Yes.
x equals to 0 पुट करना है, जब आप y dash फाइंड कर लो, दैट मीन व्हेन यू डन with this y dash, that is derivative of your original function, when you got your dy by dx, then in that dy by dx you have to put x equals to 0. This means that dy by dx at x equals to 0. So now I can put x equals to 0 in this equation. Okay, so let's put x is equals to 0. And one more thing, that you can check what's your y value at x equals to 0 using this equation, using this one. So let's see. When your x is 0, this is going to be 0. This cos x is going to be 1 because x cos 0 is 1. So you have y into 1 is equals to pi. So when your x is 0, when your x is 0, your y is pi.
Yes, sir.
All right. So
Yes.
you have to check this. Uh, you have to check this equation on the basis of this x equals to 0 and y equals to pi. Okay. Just
Yes,
put
sir.
those values. When you will put x equals to 0, so this is going to be 0. 0 plus cos y. What is cos pi?
Cos pi.
What is cos pi?
So cos pi will be
Tell me what is cos pi?
so minus sin by.
माइनस साइन वाई नहीं होता, cos pi की वैल्यू क्या होती है, दैट इज अ कांस्टेंट थिंग। cos pi का cos pi की वैल्यू होती कितनी है?
So
ताइबा
cos
व्हाट इज cos pi?
so cos pi minus 1.
-1 ना?
Yes, sir.
ओके, what what you said before?
Sir, I said cos y, minus sin. I said.
माइनस साइन,
Yes, sir.
दैट इज
Before I
रॉन्ग है ना,
said
-1 होता है। ओके,
yes, sir.
so this is going to be minus of 1. All right.
Yes, sir.
uh x is 0. Okay, okay, it's okay. So this is going to be -1, 0 plus cos y, that is -1, and sin x, x यहाँ पे जब आप पुट करोगे 0, so this is going to be 0, है ना। And over here when you will put uh okay, in the first step you have dy by dx, है ना। So
Yes, sir.
that is also 0 because x हमारे पास 0 मल्टीप्लाई होगा, so completely 0 आएगा हमारे पास। cos y की वैल्यू हमारे पास -1 आ गई। अब इन द थर्ड टर्म में y sin y माइनस ऑफ sin x, x की वैल्यू 0 है तो ये sin x 0 होगा, so this is going to be 0. Now in the fourth term you have cos x dy by dx. So x is 0, so cos x is 1. So 1 into dy by dx, that is dy by dx. So your dy by dx is 1. All right.
Yes, sir.
Let's see what was your answer. Uh, you did pi.
Yes,
Adya,
sir.
you did pi.
Yes, sir.
That is wrong, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Teba, what was your answer?
Sir, the same.
Pi.
Sir, it was the same answer.
One answer or pi answer?
Sir, pi.
Pi. Okay. Pi is not the answer. One is the answer for this question, hai na?
Yes, sir.
Now the next question, you have to tell me that you have to tell that the function fx is equals to x plus modulus of x. You have to tell this function as a what? Continuous. Continuous for, you have options. You have to tell me the continuous for x is less than, x is greater than. Okay. See. ओके सो ओके, देखो मैंने आपको बताया था कि जब भी आपको मॉडुलस मिलेगा देन यू हैव टू ऑलवेज focus on the definition of modulus. So modulus is plus x and minus x. This is when x is greater than or equal to 0, and this is when x is less than 0. यही होता
Yes, sir.
है ना? So if I am considering x is greater than 0, right? If I am
Yes, sir.
considering x is greater than 0, so in that case my fx is going to be 2x, and in that case, in the second case, my fx is going to be x minus of x, that is going to be 0. All right.
Yes, sir.
तो जो हमारा फंक्शन है दैट इज व्हाट? कंटिन्यूअस. ये जो एफ एक्स इक्वल्स टू 2x है, ये तो कंटिन्यूअस होगा एट एवरी एक्स, मतलब इन्फिनाइट, माइनस इन्फिनाइट से लेके इन्फिनाइट तक ये कंटिन्यूअस होगा. डू यू नो द ग्राफ ऑफ 2x? दिस इज द ग्राफ ऑफ, सॉरी, दिस इज द ग्राफ ऑफ 2x, है ना? सो यू कैन चेक
Yes.
ग्राफिकली ऑल्सो. दिस इज कंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन, और ये इन्फिनाइट तक जाता है. y इक्वल्स टू एक्स की लाइन क्या होती है? y इक्वल्स टू एक्स, दिस इज y इक्वल्स टू एक्स, है ना? y इक्वल्स टू
Yes,
एक्स
sir.
की इक्वेशन होती है. सो y इक्वल्स टू 2x की भी इक्वेशन यही होती है. सो दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज माइनस ऑफ इन्फिनाइट एंड इन्फिनाइट तक जाता है. सो दिस इज कंटिन्यूअस ना, दिस इज कंटिन्यूअस. कंटिन्यूअस एट x बिलोंग्स टू माइनस इन्फिनाइट से, x माइनस इन्फिनाइट से इन्फिनाइट तक, दैट मीन x बिलोंग्स टू रियल नंबर. इसके लिए ये एफ एक्स इक्वल्स टू 2x इज कंटिन्यूअस.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. सो योर आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज continuous okay, x at x equals to 0, this is plus of x, right?
Yes, sir.
So देखो ये x equals to 0 पे भी ये 2x होगा, है ना? According to this, if x is equals to 0, then this is again plus x and this is again going to be 2x. So in that case also this is continuous. So answer for this question will be, your x will be from minus of infinite to infinite, that is real number. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So what about seventh question? सेवंथ
Sir,
क्वेश्चन
some
आता था.
question. Yes, sir. It's D.
It's t. uh yeah, it is t increasing decreasing. ठीक है. So you know how to find the strictly decreasing, strictly increasing interval. Do you know how to find that?
So which one?
Do you know how to find strictly increasing, strictly decreasing intervals? I'm asking
Ye-
because this is a part of your application chapter.
yes, sir. I just know a little bit.
But your answer was right. That's okay. So I'm leaving this topic now. When I will explain this topic to you in this chapter that we are going to start, then I will explain this question also. Okay. We will
Yes,
do
sir.
these type of questions. And the eighth question is as well the minimum value of this derivative. इसमें क्या करना होता है? I'm telling you that what you have to do, you have to just take derivative of that. आपको डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना होता है इसके इन सभी क्वेश्चंस में.
Yes,
ऑल
sir.
राइट.
Yes, sir.
सो आई
So,
विल
sir,
एक्सप्लेन दिस क्वेश्चन. या
can you just tell me the answer?
आंसर फॉर दिस. देखो फॉर विच क्वेश्चन? सेवंथ वन?
Eighth one.
एट्थ वन? सी एट्थ क्वेश्चन इज योर f(x) is x square plus x plus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to find the minimum value, so what you should do, first of all, you have to derivate this. You have to do this to get minimum or maximum. You have to do this. जब भी आपका
Yes,
ग्राफ
sir.
में ना कोई मिनिमम मैक्सिमा आता है ना, मिनिमा मिनिमा या मैक्सिमा आता है, so at that point your differentiation is zero. What differentiation actually mean? Differentiation mean the change in something, है ना? तो यहाँ पे at this point on the pinnacle, your differentiation is zero. Why? Because you do not have any change. You don't have any change. Like whatever, if your speed is 15 kilometer per hour, so at this place you have 15 kilometer per hour. If here your object is at rest, so it is at rest. So there is no change over here. ठीक है? यहाँ पे
Ye-
no change होता है. इसकी वजह से your differentiation is zero. So that's why I have to put differentiation equals to zero. Now let's differentiate our original function. एक्स स्क्वायर का होगा 2x होगा, x का होगा
Yes,
1.
sir.
दिस इज
Well, one.
डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x स्क्वायर इज 2x, है ना? एंड
Yes,
x
sir.
का डिफरेंशिएशन होता है 1. सो दिस इज
Yes, sir.
गोइंग टू बी x इज इक्वल्स टू -1/2. करेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
So at this point x equals to -1/2, either you have a maxima or you have a minima. So in this question you have been asked to find minima, so directly put this in the original equation. Directly put this in
Mm.
the original equation and let's see what we are getting. So your fx minima, fx min, I'm writing in short, fx min is x square plus x plus 1. X square, that is half ka minus half ka square, x, that is minus of half, plus 1. So this is going to be 1 upon 4 minus 1/2 plus 1. So this is going to be uh 3/4. So your correct answer for this question is 3/4. All right.
Yes, sir.
You did wrong.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
आप खुद ही सोचो ना, आपके पास जो ऑप्शंस है उसमें आपने 1 टिक किया है, बट देयर एग्जिस्ट वन मोर ऑप्शन whose value is less than 1, 4/3, 0.7 समथिंग, राइट? 1 से छोटा है
Sir.
ना 0.7.
Yes,
So
sir.
there might be any possibility that 3/4 can be your answer,
Yes, sir.
है ना? तो
Yes.
आपने वो चेक देखा नहीं और 1 पे टिक कर दिया. What you did, you just put it x equals to 0, है ना? x आपने 0 पुट कर दिया होगा, तो जो वैल्यू आई मिनिमम, that should be minimum. That is not correct, and that is not always true. You have to find the derivative and check at what point your x is your x is what x you are getting. On that point, your function value is going to be minimum. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the ninth question, find the maximum and minimum value of this function in interval. Uh, you have interval 0 to. Is there is something else after the interval? Interval bracket. Okay. After bracket, we have written the next line. Bracket 0 to 2 pi. Okay. So again, I told you that in this type of question, you have to find the derivative and then check. So your question number 9 is, what was your answer for this?
Oh, sir, for this one I did C.
Uh, 2 pi. Okay, let's see. देखते हैं. So the ninth one was fx is equals to x sine of x, x sine of 2x, and x belongs to 0 to 2 pi. So this is your fx, and you have to find the maximum and minimum value. So just take derivative of this. इसका derivative होगा x sine x.
Yes, sir.
Its derivative is going to be okay. There is a plus, है ना? That's why I'm getting confused why this is in the product. So x plus sine 2x. So differentiation of x is 1. Sine 2x का differentiation होगा cos 2x, and 2x का differentiation 2. So this is going to be 1 plus 2 cos 2x. All right. So
Yes,
now
sir.
this is your derivative. Now you have to check for maximum and minimum. You have to check at 1 plus 2 cos 2x must be equal to 0 at maximum and minimum. है ना? Derivative should
Yes.
be equal to 0, है ना? Because I told you there is a no change, and derivative means there is a change. So if there is no change, then definitely your derivative is going to be 0. So just substitute this. So what you are getting from this, you're getting uh, cos of 2x is equals to minus 1 by 2. And I hope you remember,
Yes, sir.
and I hope you remember that the formulas for, let's say, if cos A is equals to cos B, cos X is equals to cos Y. So your uh, X is equals to 2 and X is equals to 2 and pi plus minus Y, something like this. You know?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you will solve this, then your X is going to be pi by 3, 2x pi by 2, pi by 3 60, 1 by 2, 60 degree into 2, that is going to be 120 degrees minus 1 by 2, right? And
Yes, sir.
pi by 2 and 2 pi by 3, I guess. Yeah, pi by 2 and 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. So just you have to evaluate at this and at this point. जब आप इन दोनों पॉइंट पे निकालोगे तो आपके पास मैक्सिमम वैल्यू आ जाएगी 2 पाई एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू आ जाएगी आपकी 0, जब आप इन दोनों पॉइंट पे निकालोगे. सो एट एनी पर्टिकुलर एक्स you will get maxima, that is 2 pi. Obviously 2 pi is maxima because it is greater than 0. So your maximum value is 2 pi and your minimum value is 0. So your answer will be B, I guess. Yeah, your answer will be B. Maximum value is 2 pi and minimum value is 0. All right. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. So what's the answer?
Answer for this is the B option. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now come to the 10th question.
Sir, 10th one is A.
10th one is a
Yes, sir.
uh, 10th is a. Okay, okay, that is fine.
So it's correct?
Yeah, it is correct. I will explain you the strictly decreasing increasing question in this chapter. Okay, let's move to the next questions. That is from 11th one. These type of these question contain 2 marks है ना, तो इसमें आपको थोड़ा सब्जेक्टिव सॉल्व करना होगा. Okay, tell me how you did the 11th question.
The 11th question, we just have to find the determinant. First, we will
Mm-hmm.
multiply A and B, and then
Mm-hmm.
we'll find the determinant of this.
Okay, okay, so Hadi, you did the same way,
Sir,
and
I was
sorry, Taiba. तैयबा सोच रहा हूँ आपने ऐसा सेम किया था.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now move to the 12th question. Tell me how you did the 12th one.
The 12th one? Sir,
Yeah,
12th
the
one,
12th one.
the question was wrong actually. So it should be y is equal to tan inverse x whole square.
Tan inverse x whole square. And who
Yes, sir.
told you?
So it's there in the textbook.
पक्का.
Yes, sir. So it's from
Okay.
5.3, 12th question. So because I was practicing this question in the school, sir told me to practice. So when I practiced, this question was wrong.
Oh,
Should be whole square.
let's see. Let's see. Y is equals to tan inverse
X.
x, and you have to show that 1 plus x square is equals to dy by d2 by dy and d2y upon dx square plus 2x dy by dx equals to 0. All right. So इस क्वेश्चन में है ये. ठीक है. What is dy by dx?
So dy by dx will be y is equal to tan inverse into 1 by 1 plus x square.
है ना, 1 by 1 plus x square होगा. And if I want to derivate this again, that is going to be d2y upon dx2.
Yes, sir.
That is going to be square of 1 plus x square ka square, and over here this is 0 minus of 2x. So this is your d2y upon dx2. So you got all the things. Just substitute in the equation. 1 plus x square d2y upon dx2. I'm substituting all the required things into the equation into d2 by d2y upon dx2, that is minus of 2x 1 plus x square का whole square, that is in a bracket, and this is your 1 plus x square d2y upon dx2 and plus 2x dy by dx plus 2x dy by dx. What is dy by dx? 1 plus 1 plus x square. So when you will solve this, this is going to be like this. And see, यहाँ पे आपके पास माइनस ऑफ 2x अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर है, यहाँ पे आपके पास प्लस ऑफ 2x अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर है. सो बोथ थिंग्स आर सेम, सो दिस इज going to be cancel out and your answer is 0. So you will say this is proved. कहाँ पे गलत हुआ आपका, कहाँ ये क्वेश्चन गलत है? दिस इज ऑल ऑलरेडी फाइन.
Oh,
ठीक है.
yes, sir.
So this is correct question, it is not a wrong one. आपको बस सिंपली सब्स्टिट्यूट करना था, nothing else. Have you attempted this question or not?
Yes, sir. I did this question.
So uh, did you got the answer or not?
Um, yes, sir.
आपका आंसर आया था?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is done. And see now in the 13th question. Tell me how you did the 13th one.
Sir, actually, the 13th one.
You were unable to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so in 13th one you have Taiba, you did this 13th question or not?
Sir, actually, it was kind of. I tried doing it actually.
Okay, you try doing it. Okay, so the question is, yeah, question is x power m y power n equals to x plus y power m plus n, right? And you have to prove that dy by dx is equals to y upon x. You have to prove this. dy by dx is equals to y over x. ये आपको प्रूव करना है. All right. So
Yes.
in this question, just derivate this. Simply कुछ नहीं करना. डेरिवेटिव वाले चैप्टर में द वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इजी थिंग इज टू जस्ट डेरिवेट द इक्वेशन, है ना. आपके पास कुछ ना कुछ आ जाएगा अगर अगर आपको डेरिवेटिव के रूल पता है, चेन रूल आता है and some other derivative things, then you can easily solve each and every question. Toughest question जो बनेगा वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा थोड़ा लेंथी होगा, nothing else. But if you know how to solve, how to find the derivative, then you will definitely able to solve a tough question as well. So
Yes, sir.
let's derivate this. This is a product rule, है ना. यहाँ पे product rule है. Why this is product? Because this is in the term of u into v. So I'm taking x की power m common and derivative of y की power n. So y की power n का derivative, that is n y n minus 1, and again y का derivative, that is dy by dx. Okay, now taking
Yes.
y की power n constant, taking y की power x constant, and x की power m का derivative होगा m x m minus 1. All right,
Yes,
this
sir.
is your this is your LHS. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now let's move to our RHS, that is x plus y power m plus n. So if I derivate this, so y power n, this is LHS. Now RHS.
Yes, sir.
RHS में x plus y m plus n, यही है ना?
Yes, sir.
Now let's derivate this. If you will derivate this function, you are going to have m plus n, in the starting, and x plus y m plus n minus 1. Okay, and differentiation of this x plus y function as well, because we have to use a chain rule. So x का तो 1 होगा और y का dy by dx होगा.
Yes, sir.
All right, so just equate both the equations. Let's see what we are getting. Just a minute. Just equate and separate the value of dy by dx. dy by dx की value separate कर दो, and let's see what we are getting, if we are getting our result or not. So let's do it. Okay, I think you can do one more thing uh before doing this. I think you can do one more thing to make it a little easier. Can you tell me? We have one more option. I told you in the yesterday's class that if our question is a little bit tough, then we can do both the sides. Can you tell me what we can do both the sides? Tell me. मैंने
So we
आपको
can
I already told you that whenever you see a product, then always think about logarithmic. अगर आपके पास product है, then always take log both the sides. So in LHS you have product x की power m and y की power n. So in that case you can take log both the sides. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So when I take log both the sides, then what I will get? Let's say,
Yes, sir.
so x power m y power n is equals to x plus y power m plus n. मैं
Yes,
log
sir.
लेता हूँ both the sides. So this is going to be log of when I take log both the sides and apply the formula. So apply the property of log. So this is going to be log x to power m plus this is going to be log y to power n. And in the RHS, this is going to be m plus n and m plus n into log of x plus y. All right.
Yes, sir.
So this is done with log thing. Now you can do one more thing, that you can consider m in the starting. ये मैंने आपको प्रॉपर्टी बताई थी log की. Just go through that formulas that I told you to learn. This is m log of x plus n log of y is equals to m plus n
Yes, sir.
log of x plus y. All right.
Yes, sir.
So when you will differentiate this, uh, when you will differentiate both with respect to x, both the sides, then what you will get? You will get m, and log x का differentiation क्या होता है? Log x का differentiation. What is derivative of log x?
Sir, derivative of log x 1 by x.
1 by x. So this is going to be m upon x. And similarly, n log of y. Okay, one more thing. Over here, we must have dy by dx as well. यहाँ पे मेरे
Yes,
पास
sir.
dy by dx भी होना चाहिए ना?
Yes, sir.
See, when I differentiate this, so this is n, and log y का differentiation होता है 1 by y. So n upon y, and y का differentiation again, that is dy by dx. ठीक है? And in
Yes,
this
sir.
case, m plus n, we can take m plus n common, and for log of x plus y, we know what is the differentiation? 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon x plus y, and again the derivative of x plus y should be multiplied in the numerator, that is 1 plus y का मैं लिखूंगा dy by dx. Got it? So just now what we have to do, just simplify this. Simplify करूंगा, dy by dx find करूंगा. So this is going to be y over x. So this is what we have to prove. All right.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, let's see the next one. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so this was a derivative question, 13th question. Now let's move to next question. देखो 14th वाला question तो I guess you can do it, and you
Yes, sir.
should do. बताओ क्या किया था 14th में? One by one
So
tell
we are
me what you did. Tell me what you did.
Sir, in this, like
Yes.
we already have A and B inverse was already there. So we had to find AB whole inverse, right? So we'll first make A also inverse.
A also inverse, yeah, right. Okay, what is formula for AB whole inverse?
The adjoint AB upon determinant AB.
No, I'm not saying this. I'm saying when you don't have this, what? Okay, see, you can do one more way. See, I told you a property that AB inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse. Have I told you this property? Just remember this.
I think yes, sir, you do.
मैंने बताया था आपको.
So AB whole inverse equals to B inverse into A inverse.
Right? So you have B inverse, just you have to find A inverse, and you know how to find A inverse. Adya, tell me what is the formula for A inverse?
Sir, A inverse? Sir, A inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint A.
Yeah, that is right. So मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना कि आपको A इनवर्स फाइंड करने के लिए पहले you have to find adjoint of A, then determinant of A, then दोनों को डिवाइड करोगे तभी आपका A inverse आएगा. And once you got A inverse, so you can multiply B inverse and A inverse directly. That is going to be your answer for the 14th one. Have you solved this question?
Yes, sir.
So the main thing is AB inverse is equals to AB inverse is equals to B inverse dot A inverse. So just you have to find A inverse. You already have B inverse. Once you get the A inverse, so you can get you can get AB inverse. So how you will find A inverse? A inverse को कैसे find करोगे? A inverse जो होता है वो होता है adjoint of A over modulus of A. This is your A inverse. So आपको ये method use करना था and uh, you have to what? You have to find AB inverse. All right.
Yes, sir.
It was right or wrong?
So what?
This question in which you have to prove. Have you proved this relation?
Yes, sir.
Actually, you have to compute AB inverse. So that is B inverse into A inverse and rest you know, okay? Now see the 15th question. मैंने आपको 15th question बताया था I guess in the just
Then
in the previous
in
class.
15th one, actually, I was not getting the answer, so I did the after the or question, the other question.
Okay, so how you did after the OR question?
So in that we have to use the formula of triangle, that half modulus x1 y1 x2 y2 1
Mm-hmm.
x3 y3 1, and then so
Okay,
we'll get the value of k.
okay, good. So what actually concept is that linear, है ना? Linear, sorry, collinear. What do you mean by
Yes,
collinear? Can you tell me what do you mean by collinear?
the two sides are equal and one side is not equal.
No, 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 no. What do you mean by collinear? Just
So
break the word and start thinking about that. What is
so it's
collinear?
so it's like the two sides are equal.
So the answer should be in root something or
Answer should be in root. Let's see. तो मैं सॉल्व भी करके देख लेता हूँ ना.
but not in root, like in the equation form, it should be.
See, this is a collinear. So that means I told you a condition that collinear points, if we have 3 points and they are collinear, then collinear means they are on a single line. So they
Yes,
cannot
sir.
form any triangle. So that means their area is 0. समझ आ रहा?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your area is 0. This is area 1 by 2. So now just check 1 k minus 5
Yes, sir.
plus 1 2 minus 4,
-2.
yeah, plus 1 10 minus 4k is equals to
Yes.
0. So
Sir,
this
it will
is
be a -5 -2 plus 10 plus 10 minus 4k.
minus 4k na.
Yes, sir.
So this is
-3k
minus 3k
plus 3 is equal to 0.
plus 3 equals to 0. So your k will
Yes.
be
answer
1.
is -1.
Not -1, 1.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes,
So
sir.
इसका के का आंसर ऐसे आएगा. And it was very easy question, है ना? Now
Yes, sir.
let's move to the 16th question. And ये मैं आपको क्वेश्चंस कराऊंगा इसके 16th क्वेश्चन के.
So this was
Do
from
you
application of derivatives.
Yeah, this is from application of derivative. Did
Yes,
you
sir.
attempted this question?
Sir, not much.
ये मैंने आपको बता रखा था, I guess.
Sir, you did not
Was
taught me the chapter applications of derivatives. I was not able to do this question, the 16th question.
See, I'm not asking you. I'm not telling that this question is from your that chapter. ये उस chapter से थोड़ी ना. This is from determinant chapter ना. Determinant में
Sir,
मैंने आपको करा रखा.
sir, how is this from determinant?
See, in this question you have to use determinant. आपने determinant use करके area find किया.
Yes,
So
sir.
there is a concept, and it is written in NCERT as well, in the determinant chapter when you will read your NCERT textbook. So उसमें एक जगह लिखा है that the area of collinear points is equals to 0. And why this is because collinear points, 3 point होते collinear point, and collinear points are on a single line. देखो मैंने आपको बना के भी दिखाया था ये. अगर मैं इसी लाइन पे मैं 3 पॉइंट बना दूं, कोई 3 पॉइंट, सो आप ट्राइंगल कैसे बना पाओगे? डू यू हैव एनी ऑप्शन सो दैट you can use these 3 points and make a triangle? Do you have any option?
No, sir.
So that's why uh, area of triangle in collinear case is 0. All right. So and determinant से भी हम area निकाल सकते हैं. So using the determinant, we calculated area. All right. And from there we
Yes,
can easily calculate your value of k. All right.
yes, sir.
Okay. So and जो उसके ऊपर वाला क्वेश्चन है मैंने आपको जस्ट करवाया था वो जस्ट इन द
Yes,
प्रीवियस क्लास, है ना?
yes, sir.
कराया था मैंने आपको पिछला क्वेश्चन इसका. मैंने आपको बताया था दैट यू हैव टू यूज अ हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड,
Yes, sir.
है ना? दिस इज द सेम क्वेश्चन दैट आई टोल्ड यू. एनीवे, और वाला क्वेश्चन भी बहुत आसान था.
Yes, sir.
So okay, so do you want me to attempt do you want me to solve the 16th question, or should I explain this question in the upcoming chapter? Okay, I will explain this in the chapter when I will explain you this concept.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And these questions are, देखो ये कितने मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आया था आपका? This was how much marker? Let me check. This is, I guess, uh, yeah, here it is. Okay, this was 3 mark question, है ना? And this was very
Yes,
easy question. Both the questions are very easy. तीन तीन लाइन के आंसर्स हैं इनके, तीन तीन लाइन के सॉल्यूशंस है. दो दो तीन तीन लाइन में क्वेश्चन आराम से हो जाते हैं. Okay, now let's move to our section D, that is 5 marker question. See the first question. जब मैं आपको एक्सरसाइज करवा रहा था तब मैंने आपसे कहा था कि आपका 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन या फिर 5 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन, जो मैक्सिमम मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन होगा, उसमें ये वाला क्वेश्चन 100% दिखेगा आपको। दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस ऑल डिटर्मिनेंट चैप्टर, थ्रू आउट द ऑल डिटर्मिनेंट क्वेश्चंस। बताया था मैंने आपको।
Yes, sir.
एंड सी यू हैव द सेम क्वेश्चन इन योर एग्जाम एज वेल,
Yes, sir.
है ना? तो
Yes, sir.
do you want me to solve this question now, or you tell me how you did?
The 17th one, right?
Yeah, 17th one.
Yes, sir, I was able to do this question.
You was able to do. And what about you, Tayeba?
Yes, I was also able to do this question.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Now see the 18th question. This is purely derivative question. कैसे किया था आपने? कौन सा क्वेश्चन किया है?
Sir, I did the first one.
Okay. Tell me the what are the steps you took in the 17th question?
Sir,
Tell me the
first
steps.
we find it the determinant A,
Hmm.
and then we have to
Yeah.
find adjoint A.
Adjoint of within.
Then, sir, we'll use the formula inverse A inverse. After getting A inverse, then, sir, we will multiply the A inverse with 11 minus 5 and minus 3.
11 minus 5 and minus of 3. That is in
Yes, sir.
RHS. Okay, okay. That is pre-multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then.
And then, sir, we'll get the answer. We'll get the values for x, y,
See,
and z.
I told you that you have a equation AX is equals to B, है ना? When we were doing this type of questions, then I
Yes,
always wrote there AX is equals to B, है ना?
yes, sir. It's like we'll put the
So, हाँ,
so we'll use that formula, right? X is equal to
yeah, yeah.
A
See,
inverse B, and then we'll multiply.
आपको ये यूज करना था AX is equals to B, एंड यहाँ पे आप लिखोगे प्री मल्टीप्लाई। सो प्री मल्टीप्लाई जब आप करते हैं A इनवर्स का, so this is going to be A inverse of B, and this is identity
Yes,
matrix
sir.
A inverse of B, and this we know that when we multiply identity matrix with any matrix, so this is going to be X as well, the same matrix as well. And here
Yes, sir.
I'm getting this. So this was our aim in this question. मेरे को एक्स वाई जेड की वैल्यूज इसमें पता लग जाएगी बाय डायरेक्टली इक्वेटिंग। ऑलराइट,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
both of you did the same way.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's come to question number 18th.
Sir, in 18th, I did the first bit.
X पावर y प्लस y पावर x,
Yes,
है
sir.
ना? मैंने अपने चैप्टर करा रखा है, एकदम अच्छे से करा रखा है, हाउ यू विल फाइंड dy by dx, हाउ यू विल
Yes, sir.
use chain rule, right? I
Yes, sir.
told you while we were doing the chain rule, I told you that chain rule is very important and it is going to be used in almost everywhere in this derivative
Yes, sir.
chapter. So, okay, I want you to solve this question. Solve this question. You have to
Sir,
find
should
dy
I?
by dx.
Yes, sir. Sir, should I tell the steps?
Steps. It will
Yes,
take
sir.
1 or 2 minutes. Just solve this question. Both of you solve this
Yes,
question.
sir. Okay, sir.
Get it?
Sir, I'm on the second last part. Yes, sir, done.
Okay, see. In this question, you have x power y.
Yes, sir.
So, देखो मैं यहाँ पे एक और चीज कर सकता हूँ. We can take log. You have
Yes,
two
sir.
options, है ना? Two options. लेकिन it is advisable when you have variable power variable. So in that case, you have to take log, है ना? So जब मैं
Yes, sir.
log लूंगा, so this is y log of x plus x log of y equals to log 1, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Equals to log of 1. So now differentiate.
Yes,
डिफरेंशिएट जब मैं करूंगा तो y को मैं निकालूंगा. log x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1/x प्लस log x को मैं बाहर निकालूंगा. y का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है? dy/dx.
sir.
नाउ सेम फॉर y, x log x, x log y. x को बाहर निकाला, इसको 1/y एंड y का अगेन dy/dx.
Yes, sir.
ऑलराइट.
Yes, sir.
एंड टेकिंग log y कॉमन, log x का डेरिवेटिव दैट इज 1. So and log 1 that is constant, so constant का derivative is always 0. So now let's combine all the photos. Let's combine all the elements.
Sir, it will be y by x plus log x dy by dx plus x by y plus d log
See,
dy by
we have dy by dx in two terms, that is this one and this one. So just combine these two things. Let's see what we are getting. We have dy by dx log x plus log x plus uh, x by y, x by y. And what else is left? This is left, y upon x. So just take this thing y upon x on the left, on the right hand side. This is going to be minus y upon x.
and
Actually,
then
where y
sir
upon x is? I think this is yeah, this is y upon x, right?
minus
And
log x
minus log y.
and then
Log
sir
y
it will
होगा
be
ना?
yes sir. And then so it will be dy by dx
Hmm.
minus bracket is equal to minus bracket y by x plus log y upon x by y plus log x.
The same thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what was your answer in your exam?
So in exam it was dy by dx is equal to minus bracket x by y plus log y upon x by y. No sir, y by x plus log y upon
मतलब
x
सेम
by
था
y.
ना जो अभी अभी निकाला.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Adi, Taiba, what about you?
So it was the same for me also.
It was same. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. Okay. Now
Yes,
let's
sir.
move to the last question, that is 19th one. Uh, okay, this is a little bit what type of question? I think it is. Acha, this is a statement. Read the following text carefully and answer the following questions. Okay. That means a paragraph based questions. A relation in this you have y equals to 4x plus half x square. X is number of days of sunlight. Number of days of exposed to sunlight. Okay. What is the rate of growth of plant? Okay, see, what is the rate of growth of plant? That means this question is from which chapter? This is from application of derivative. ठीक है, तो मैं ये वाला क्वेश्चन भी
Yes.
आपको कराऊंगा. ओके.